What are you making, Mika girl?
Cake.
Cake? What are you making cake for?
You.
For me?
Yeah, because it's your birthday.
Oh, you're making cake for Daddy's birthday?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Because I don't want to miss your birthday.
You don't? What kind of cake is it?
Chocolate.
Oh, what kind of frosting are we going to have?
Chocolate.
Oh, is that your favorite?
Yeah.
And Daddy's favorite, too. Can you sing happy birthday for Daddy?
Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Daddy, it's all done.
All done? Okay, we're going to put it in the pan and put it in the oven. I love you.
I love you. Daddy, can I lick this thingy?
You can.
Right now?
Yep.
How about I can lick it right over there?
Okay. Bye.
Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy.
You want to blow him up for Daddy? A little bit closer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Thank you, Mika girl. I love you.
Now we can take them out?
Yep. You want a little tiny piece of cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put them in here, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
It's your best birthday.
This is my best birthday ever. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome for your best birthday. Oh, look. That's a silly candle. Now I'm going to do these. It's going to be the best birthday party ever! Now let's get a piece of cake.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll get a knife, okay?
Okay.